Hello students, today our topic of discussion is voids. Voids are also called as interstitial spaces. These are the spaces which remain vacant when the particles are closely packed. Now in HCP, that is hexagonal close packing, and CCP, which is cubic close packing, also called as FCC, face centered cubic unit cell. There are two types of voids. One is called as tetrahedral void. Now, tetrahedral void is formed when one sphere is placed over a plane triangular spheres, three plane triangular spheres. So these are the three plane triangular spheres. If I place one sphere over this, the void formed in between these four spheres is called as tetrahedral sphere. So empty space between these four spheres is a tetrahedral void. Now the tetrahedral void is surrounded by four spheres. So its coordination number of tetrahedral void is 4. Now if there are n spheres in the packing, the number of tetrahedral void is 2n. For a crystal having n number of spheres, number of tetrahedral void is 2n. This is the first type of void, that is called as tetrahedral void. This is the figure of the tetrahedral void. Now the next type of void is octahedral void. Octahedral void is larger than tetrahedral void. It is formed by placing three triangular spheres in one plane and placing another three triangular spheres in the inverted direction. Now this is a octahedral sphere. The empty space between six spheres is octahedral void. Its coordination number is 6. This void is surrounded by 6 spheres, so its coordination number is 6. Also, if you closely observe this octahedral void, you see there are 4 spheres: first, second, third and fourth. These 4 spheres are in square form and one is above this square, other is below this square. So if we place 4 spheres in this form, one is above this, other is below this, the void formed in between these 6 spheres is a octahedral void. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, one is above, one is below, or one is, you can, above and below you can imagine. Okay? Now this is the diagrammatic representation of octahedral void. Now if there are n number of spheres in packing, the number of octahedral void will also be n. So for n number of spheres, number of octahedral void is n and number of tetrahedral void is 2n. Now let's locate this octahedral and tetrahedral void in a CCP or FCC unit cell. So now locating n, first locating an tetrahedral void. Now this is a representation of tetrahedral void. Now this is a CCP or face centered cubic unit cell. Now if you closely observe this unit cell, in the corner there are 3 spheres, first, second and third. They form a planar triangle, and above this there is one sphere placed. So between 1, 2, 3 and 4 there is a void, that is the tetrahedral void, like this. So look at this void, tetrahedral void, and look at this corner. So at every corner, if you look at this sphere also, 1, 2, 3 and this is 1, 4. So there is a tetrahedral void in this corner. So at every corner there is a tetrahedral void, and that void is totally inside the unit cell. So there is a tetrahedral void at each corner. So there are how many corners? 8 corners. So number of tetrahedral void in FCC unit cell is equal to 8, and as we know, the number of spheres in FCC unit cell is 4. So for 4 number of spheres there are 8 tetrahedral void. This is n, this is 2n. So for in each FCC unit cell there are 8 tetrahedral void. Next is locating an octahedral void. Now octahedral void, they are formed by, this is an octahedral void, 3 planar spheres in this direction and 3 in opposite direction. If you closely observe, I have told you there are 4 spheres, 1, 2, 3, 4 in square form. One is above, one is below. So this is an octahedral void. Now let us locate this octahedral void in FCC unit cell. Now This is a face centered unit cell. This is also. Now if you look at the center, in the center of the unit cell there is no sphere, it is the vacant, and vacant is surrounded by 6 spheres which are at the center of each face. So there are 6 faces, 1, 2, 3. Now other are on the other directions. So 6 faces. It can be represented in this diagram also. Here if you look at this FCC unit cell, the center is vacant, and this vacant center is surrounded by these 4 spheres, 1, 2, 3, 4. Above this 4 is this sphere, and below this. So at the center there is a octahedral void which is totally inside this unit cell. So there is a one octahedral void at the center of the unit cell. Now if you look at the edges, now each edge there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. This space, vacant space, is touched by these 4 spheres. Now if we extend this, I have extended this in this form. Now this is the edge, edges are vacant. Now this edge, it is surrounded by some 1, 2, 3, 4 in this direction, and 5, 6. These spheres are in the neighboring unit cell. So at the center also there is a vacant space, that is a octahedral void. This is octahedral void. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4. They are in the 4 square. One is above the square, one is below the square. If you look at the triangle wise, this is a triangle one in one plane, this is another triangle in another plane. So the void in between this is a octahedral void at each edge. Now this edge is not totally inside the unit cell, it is shared by the neighboring. Now each edge is shared by 4 neighboring unit cell. 4 neighboring, one is this in the adjacent, one is below, and one is diagonal. So this edge is shared by 4 unit cell. Now the contribution of this edge, this vacant space, to this unit cell is 1 by 4. So there are how many edges in the cubic lattice? 12 edges, and each edge contains 1 by 4 of an octahedral void. Now let's see. Octahedral void at the center, this is equal to 1. Octahedral void at edges, 1 by 4 at each edge, multiply by 12 edges, so this is equal to 3. Total number of octahedral void, this is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. Number of spheres in FCC unit cell, this is also equal to 4. So if the crystal contains n number of spheres, there are n octahedral void and 2n tetrahedral void. This is all about the voids. We will continue in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.